Welcome to Tenerife, where the local time is coming up to 11:30 in the morning, the same as the UK, and the outside temperature approximately 23 degrees centigrade. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now that we've landed, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Please take care in opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. Before you leave, check your seat pocket under the seat in the overhead compartments. Any lost property will be handed to the agency in Tenerife Airport. If you've given additional seatbelt or life jacket, please leave these on your seat. If you've asked for assistance, please remain seated until all passengers have disembarked, when we'll be able to assist you. Please have your passports ready for the immigration authorities. And as a reminder, smoking is not allowed, and this includes electronic cigarettes. If you're on holiday with TUI, your first choice, the TUI team will be in the arrivals hall to welcome you for the next part of your journey. When the aeroplane has stopped, the cabin crew will be carrying out their safety duties, so do please remain seated until we've spoken to the ground staff and we can advise you about disembarkation procedures. It may be a local requirement that you wear a face mask as you leave the aeroplane and through the airport. For the best service during your stay, we do recommend that you download the TUI app. We're very proud of our digital service, and the TUI app allows you to access all kinds of information on your hotel and resort, as well as contact us 24.
Hi. Right. Just a minute, really. Just in the cockpit.
Go and have a look in.
Thank you. Hiya. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright.
Good.
Yeah. I've flown down here today. I'm coming back later.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You don't mind me filming, do you?
What are you filming, are you?
Documenting it for a review.
Just a review for?
YouTube. That's it, really.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. Lovely cockpit. I was in the 757 cockpit a few weeks ago. I'm trying to fly in a lot of the older ones at the moment, so I'm flying back later.
Right, okay.
On Jet 2, so yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, that's an old bird.
Yeah, it is. Really nice. So what are you replacing these with, the Dreamliners, are you?
Yeah, so we've only got two of them left now. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing.
At 4, 4:30.
Right.
So
Yeah, you must love it.
I do, yeah. I only did it on the 21st of April. I'm doing it again. It's quite cheap. Flights are quite cheap at the moment, so I'll do it. Yeah. Amazing.
Good stuff.
Yeah. So were you flying down?
Gary flew it down, I'm flying it back.
Right, okay. Beautiful. I won't disrupt too much of your time. Cheers.
Thanks,
Thank you.
mate. Enjoy your stay
I
in the
will.
airport.
Thank you.
What's our dates? Dates of
Cheers, thank you.